All right. Hi, guys. Good morning, good afternoon to everyone. Good evening, wherever you are. So again, my name is David, and this is going to be your invoice training. So I believe the moment that you're watching this video, you've done a couple of days styling already, and this is where the game gets to be very exciting because you will be getting your first ever pay coming from us. So how do we get paid? As we all know, we get paid via PayPal. So there's just some procedures that you guys should know before you could get your first pay. And this is how the process works. Okay, so well, we'll let you watch this video on a Friday, before Friday, or probably Thursday, so you guys know what to do. Now, the first step, before Friday or before you start the Friday shift, you have to ping me or private message me the following information via Skype. Number one, the PayPal name and PayPal email, your PayPal name and PayPal email address. Why would I need that? Well, an invoice would not be approved not unless we have your PayPal record on file. Okay? So we won't just be simply approving invoices. All right? We have to make sure that we have the correct invoice and we have the correct PayPal account so that we could approve the your pay. Next, after the Friday shift, so technically that's already a Saturday morning our time, you have to send me the following information, all right? And this is, we know this all as invoice details, okay? Invoice details. All right, so you have to ping me your number one, three information, okay? One, your number of working hours for the week. Number of working hours for the week, and that's also going to be based on Time Doctor. Based on Time Doctor. Now, how do we compute number of hours? Let's say on Monday you exceeded, let's say Monday you had 4 hours and 5 minutes. Tuesday, the 5 minutes excess wouldn't carry over to your next day. We only count whatever required hours that you get. Remember, we have allotted hours for everyone. For newbies, for new agents, normally we allow you to work 4 hours, but sometimes it could go as far as 7 hours, depending on how good you are. Okay. Now, again, any excess hours could not carry over to your next working day. All right. So let's say for the whole week you got 20 hours. And careful, I know what your working hours are, okay? I just want to have that part as your invoice detail. Next, number of calls for the week. You need to count that as well, all right? You may want to ask your team leads on how you could collate and see how many dials you did for the whole week, all right? Next, your total hot leads for the whole week. That's going to be easy. You probably know that. How to check that too. We have our tracker. It's been shared with everyone. So as soon as you get everything, all three pieces of information, then you have to send me the following. And then next, after sending me the following, please wait for me to respond, as by that time many agents will probably be served invoices too. And do not log out yet, as it may result to your pays getting paid late. Yeah, because you guys are how many? There's a lot, like 40, 50. So it may take time for me to respond, but definitely as soon as you you send me the information, your invoice detail, I will reply first come first serve, okay, for everyone. But it's not gonna take that much. Just wait for probably 5 to 10 minutes. I'd be able to respond. And as soon as the next thing that I will do is respond the amount of your pay for the week. Then as soon as I respond, please send an invoice to PayPal at this email address. That's kreddick@gmail.com. KREADDICK@gmail.com. All right. Now, how do we create invoice in Time Doctor? Okay. So this is what your PayPal works. This is how your PayPal looks like. Now, the moment you go to paypal.com and the moment you log into PayPal, you're going to be defaulted your here in summary. I'm not gonna show you my summary. This is my PayPal account. Just for security purposes. Log into PayPal and then hit send and request. All right, send and request. Okay, and then you'll be shown 4 options: send, request, contacts, and more. Click on request, and then here is a request payment form box. All you have to do is type our client's email address. Again, that's kriddick, okay, at gmail.com. All right, kriddick at gmail.com. All right, the next part, you would be asked now to put in the amount of your pay. So let's say I replied your pay for the week is $100. Let's say $100. Put in 100. Make sure that your currency is in US dollars. US dollars, all right? US dollars. Okay. Make sure that it's in US dollar. Kyle will not approve that if it's in peso. And guys, let's say $100 in 100 pesos in dollars, you're just asking for $2 from him. So there. And then there's an additional note box. All you have to do is put in for, and say your phone name. My name is Dave, for Dave, and then let's say for Kent, for Jenky, for Charlene, whatever your phone name is. The client will know you by your phone name. Okay, so let's say for Dave, and next thing that I'll do is say thank you so much, and then you're done. Hit on request a payment. And then that's it. I'm not going to request this one because this is just a sample. But hit request a payment and then you're good to go. All you have to do is wait for your pays to come in. Now, normally the pay gets to be paid either on a Saturday. Sometimes it's being approved right away on a Saturday. Sometimes on a Sunday. I'm referring Manila time, all right? Sometimes Monday. But the latest again is going to be on Tuesday midnight. So that's going to be our Monday shift already. So that's how quick we make payments, all right? And if you do have any question, feel free to ask your team leads or me. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I do hope that you do have a great day.